I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will understand a very important technique of finding limits. It is the substitution method. The question here is evaluate limits using substitution method. Question 2 limit when x approaches 4 for square root of 12 plus x minus 4 over x minus 4. So let us see the steps involved in finding limits for any function for that matter. So first step should be, in this case, we want to find x approaches 4, substitute 4 in the equation itself and see what do you get. So let's try to find the limit when x approaches 4 for 12 plus x minus 4 over x minus 4 when we substitute x as 4. So when you substitute 4, what do you get? You get the expression as equal to square root of 12 plus 4 minus 4 over 4 minus 4, right? 12 plus 4 is 16, right? And 16 square root is 4. And so you get 0 over 0. Now 0 over 0 is indeterminate form. So by direct substitution, you cannot find the answer. Now you could adopt rationalization or the technique of substitution. So let us see how this technique helps. So what we are going to do here is substitute the difficult part in this equation, which is 12 plus x, as some other variable, let it be u. Now in that case, if x equals to 4, then what happens? Then it becomes 12 plus 4, right? Which is square root of 16, which is 4, right? So what we observe here is that when x approaches 4, u approaches 4. So in this case, the same value, u also approaches. Now, in the expression itself, if 12 plus x is equal to u, what is x minus 4 or what is x? So let's find that out also. So the next step should be, we know that square root of 12 plus x is equal to u, square both sides. 12 plus x is u square. And from here, we get x is equal to u square minus 12. Makes sense. So now we know that in this substitution, we will replace square root of 12 plus x as u. We will replace x with u square minus 12 and the limit of u approaching 4. Makes sense. Correct? So these are the substitutions which we are going to make. Once we make the substitution, how will our equation look like? It will get transformed to limit u approaches 4, correct? Square root term we are writing as u minus 4, and in denominator, instead of x, we are writing u square minus 12. Already we have minus 4. You see that equation. So we get an equation which is of this particular form, right? So let's go to the next page, do the substitution and get our answer. Perfect. So what we learned just now is that we are going to substitute square root of 12 plus x as equal to u, and that gives you the value of x as u square minus 12. Also, what you notice is that when x approaches 4, u approaches 4, correct? So these are the things which will be essential to change the limit equation. So now we could rewrite the limit as limit u approaches 4 of square root of 12 plus x as u minus 4 over x as u square minus 12. Is that clear to you? And we have minus 4 already. Now that is a simpler limit to solve. So we get limit u approaches 4 u minus 4 over, in the denominator it is u square minus 16. U square minus 16 can be factored. So we get this as limit u approaches 4, u minus 4 in the numerator, and denominator is u plus 4 times u minus 4, correct? U minus 4 and u minus 4 cancel. At this stage, you can substitute 4 and then you can write down the answer. So simplified form will be limit u is approaching 4 for 1 over u plus 4. Substituting 4, we get 1 over 4 plus 4, which is 1 over 8. Do you see that? So that is how we are going to find the limit using the method of substitution. So we get this answer as 1 over 8. Is that clear to you? I hope the steps are absolutely clear. There's the next question which you can try using substitution. We are going to provide you solution of this question also in the playlist along with many others. Feel free to write your comment, share your views. If you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. Thanks for your valuable time and all the best.